Nice smell. My brother's an athlete, so he's always got his gym clothes and gym socks and shoes in the car. So naturally, the car will have a manly smell. Let's put it like that. So I'm gonna do that today, and I'm gonna show him how to do it. And then hopefully, he did complain about it, that somebody complained that his car didn't smell so nice. So we're just gonna do that, and then yeah, let's see if he likes it. Cheers. Remove the cartridge. Remember, most VW Polos will look like this. The filter is made of paper, so be gentle. And that is your cabin air filter. It's actually a service item too. Keep in mind, most colognes or perfume aren't designed for filters. Some have alcohol that can dry out the paper. It's a service item that gets changed every time you service, so it's your call to make. Note that the paper filter is a bit flimsy, so it may be a bit of a pain to put back in the cartridge. Don't panic, the locking clips do tend to fall out as well. Now start it up and crank the aircon. It smells luxurious in here. Not even a new car smells this good. Now, what's the wildest car hack you've ever tried? Let me know in the comments.